Kementri kita nak rekod kekhia kong Ampareen lingdo akar putri Yong kalau ong baka Sorkar kamsum le kain sting ke by day baka Jingkhluit ke Mariang kamsum le dan kanu ke kaipot halor ke Jingkhta na kani ke Jingkhluit.
So we are just giving advisories. Hydrate yourself. Do not stay in the sun. So those are the basic kinds of informations. But since there has been no report of any serious effects due to the heat wave, we've not really zeroed down on anything specific.
Kalau ru bana ke Jingkla ke Shillong ke Mariang la betha kita nak beper ron pelong ke Jing pensai pajba ki workshop ringkat ke Jingshim bentai kena pulih ke dan beper menetai halor ke Jingkhta ke Jingkhluit ke perthai lani ke global warming.
Several line departments in the government of Meghalaya have been asked to immediately conduct awareness programs, workshops, interfacing with students at various levels, discussing the effects of global warming, and also actually presenting before the public certain important good practices. For example, we are also looking at a high probability of propagating carbon-free farming practices, carbon-free industrial practices.
Kai thuru baka jela kala le bha habaro kiliang habayinu jor kelum baka rihi brokwe bat kini program kini harap ke jela bani shim benta shirham ke jingele ke baka perthai hi brokwe kadang yele hakabai dei baka Jingkhluit ke perthai.
We are trying to ensure that our forest cover is adequately attended to. In fact, Meghalaya is doing very well on all of these fronts. We are not lagging far behind as per the national average. A small state like Meghalaya also participate actively in the entire global approach to dealing with the reality of global warming.
Hakabai dei berkenik bentak lai thuru bah ke jingelang jong ka G20 ke barang Shillong sen ha Shillong ke kong Ampareen ke laong bakal dan ke jinge tai ke babnya halor ke ni ke phang.
In the G20 program that was recently held also, there has been substantial discussions held on this aspect. How can we as a nation and as a state indulge in good practices that will address global warming in the long run?